Hello guys, welcome back to the second video of the RHCE exams, and today or in this video we're going to see the topic HTTPS, but the previous one we see how to configure a virtual host. So now I will show you how to configure access restrictions on directories. Okay, let's bring this down. I will use pretty much the same template for virtual hosts. Okay, so in order to save time, let me change my directory to httpd conf.d. I have my virtual host 00 that I created before, but now I'm going to create a new one. It's gonna call sorry, gonna call like a vim and 01.private.conf, right? There we go. Okay, let me explain this. The virtual host entries, we explained you before. The only new here is the authentication method. Okay, there are two ways to authenticate. Where you can find this here on the manual, you can go to authentication and authorization. On the very end of this, you can see the entries or the statements that you need to add on the directory block. Okay, let's scroll a little bit down. Here we go. I have one here. Is when this is one, or I'm gonna show you the right. Doesn't matter. Okay, this is one when you save as a group. So pretty much is auth type basic, the name, the basic provider. In that case, we don't use basic provider, so we're gonna use only a user file and user group. Okay, and also the other line is for the required group and group name. I will show you this. Let me see. Also, we have something like this. It's for the users only, right? For valid users. And yeah, group file. You can see a bunch of examples. See also here, require no IP, require not host, how to restrict the access to the server. For that reason, it's very important to install this package. It's httpd-manual. So let's go back here. Usually I have let me open it on this way. You see the auth name. The auth type is basic. Auth name, private, or you can set whatever you want. In my case, I will say like a I think that this is for the second one, private too. So it doesn't matter. I want to keep on the same host file, conf file. It doesn't affect nothing. This is for secret one. Okay, go back here, insert one, escape. Okay, you see the auth user file. This file you need to, if where the password are saved, something like that, save it or hash. We put the hash of the password on that file, right? You see here HTTP secret. valid user required. If you go back here, we have a group also. Okay, require group and group name. In that case, you need to specify the auth group file. Inside this file, you need to specify the group name, colon, and the users, and with a space separator. You can see here, it's a group name. But I show you this because you say, it's a, you are cheating because you already did and you already have the lines. No, you can pull this from this manual page. Another one you see here. Let's keep going. Pretty much everything. Okay, we said this. We have a document root different. So let me save this. I'm going to cut the file. So I need to create this directory. So I'm going to save time as usual. I'm going to do something like this. It didn't. Oh, sorry. Copy. I'm going to do something like this. When I do toolbar dot I got my HTML. If I do something like this, -RHCE, you can see it already take the right context for this directory. HTTPS says content T. Okay, I'm gonna put something inside for this. Oh, it's not that one. Copy. Yeah, it's hard. I'm going to put something web 00. I'm going to put something on private 1 web -1. What is echo no source file or directory. Oh, why? Echo bar. There we go. Because I didn't make dir. I'm crazy. Okay. It's something like this. There we go. Now private ones. Okay. Now let me remove the echo. The echo directory. Also the secret one. I'm gonna say everything. Now here we go. That's happened when you copy and paste everything. Here we go. Much better. But it's in order to save time. Just in case, we can do a restore com -rvvv on HTML. And when you check, you see the content. It's just in case. Okay, now let me go back to the configuration files. 02. I don't remember. 01, sorry. Okay, I need to, the first one, I need to create this password. Okay, how to do that? You can do the HTTPS -C because it's the first time that you're going to create the file. I'm gonna to C for create, secret, you need to spell right because secret. I'm gonna say user1. I want to say user1 as password, user1 as password, and also want to do the same thing by using user2 but without C. User2, and now when you see the file, you can check here on HTTPD secret. Oh, you see, user1 only. Wait a minute. Maybe I make a typo on the password. Oh yeah, verification error. That's why. Now when you cut the file, you can see both users. You see? So now, as the configuration file say, just required valid users can access to that directory private. So, but they have an alias. The alias is secret.example.conf that we add already on the host file. So we go here. I'm going to secret.example.conf. I want to prompt now. Oh, sorry. Let me restart the service. It's gonna be system ctl restart httpd. Oh, there's something wrong on my conf file. Let me edit again. Just figure out. Virtual host private. Oh, here we go. This line. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Now it looks better. Let me restart. It's gonna take a while. So for the second one, you see here, it's a group. So you need to create a group. Remember, it's right here. Let me show you. If when you create a group of users, because you are using the same file, and if you use the same file to save the password, it's better to create a group of users. Or you can, some people just decide to create to add the users to write permissions using the ACL. So it's gonna be like if you go to bar.html, for example, some people add the create a group add, and create a few users and append that user to that group, and then add and change the ownership, the group ownership of this directory to that specific user. In that case, the user have right access to the web page. But this is not the case. Now we are doing something like restriction on the web browser, on the website. So I on secret, I hit enter. Maybe I type wrong. That's why. Secret. You see? Welcome to secret website. This is a welcome page, the welcome message right here. Well, on the file I put something different. Yeah, I put something different. For the second one I put a secret one right here. Let me put it just in case. And for the first one, welcome to secret only. I'm gonna say user 1 and user 1, and now I got access. Let me open a browser as incognito. It would to secret.example.com. I want to say user 2 and user 2, and boom, there we go. See? Okay, now let's check the second one, secret 1. We have a group. Okay, on that group it's gonna be something like this. The group is gonna be secret. This is the name of the group. I'm gonna say echo secret colon. I'm gonna say user 3 and user 4 only. Okay, I'm going to append this or to add this to the is on RHCE, HTTPD, and group. Okay, now I'm going to add the user. So I add the user 2. I'm going to add user 3 as user 3, user 3. I'm going to add user 4, user 4. Password verification error, user 4, user 4. Okay, now if I go here and say secret 1, welcome to secret 1, I try with user 1, and what happens? It failed. It can't get in because it's not part of the group that I create. But if I go to user 3, user 3, oh sorry, user, oh wait, I need to system restart HTTPD. Sorry about that. We wait. There are two ways to do it, as user or as group. Either way is fine, don't worry. Either way, you can see here configure access restriction on directories. You can do it that way, or it depends of the question on the exam, but it's good to show you this. I don't cover the ACL part because it's part of the RHCE exam and it's not related with this one. So it's still loading. I will cancel this. I will try to load again. Still, I don't know why it's so slow on my. Okay, I will also open a connect to. There we go. Finally. Okay, go back here. Go to secret 1. Reload. User 1. User 1. Nothing. User 2. User 2. Nothing. Why? Because they are not part of the group. RHCE HTTPD group. The group is called secret. You see here? Oh. Also gonna fail because it's secret 1. So good catch. Let me show you. Gonna fail. User 3. User 3. It's gonna fail because it's the group name is spelling wrong. I'm gonna say secret insert 1. Restart again. It's gonna take some time. That's why I save time, just copy and paste the host configuration, the virtual host configuration. Here you can also specify on different ports, in different document root, as same as we did with the first video about virtual host only. Okay, and we're waiting. So here let me open a secret 1.example.com loading, because I have here another window. Let me now I have to sweet. Here I'm going to log in as user 3 and here as user 4. There we go, finally. Okay, here refresh, it's loading. Let me cancel this. Come on. Okay, I want to say user 1, user 1, no, user 2, user 2, no, user 3, and user 3. There we go. Now I got the user 3. Now here I'm going to go back and say user 4 and user 4, and we're getting. Why? Because the user 4 is part of this group. Oh, let me show you in a different way. Is part of this group secret, and secret is right here. Require groups. See, also, and for users we only specify we create the users and password for each user, and we allow a valid user. Also, you can specify another one like a basic username. But this is gonna be on different video. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one, and subscribe. Okay, let me close.